Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing question number 7 of exercise 10.5 of the chapter circles. The question is if the diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral. So see, I am drawing a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a circle and there is a quadrilateral inside it, which its four corners are touching the circle inside. So this is A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. So it is written if the diagonals of cyclic quadrilateral are the diameters of the circle. So this BD, which is the diameter of circle, it is diagonal of quadrilateral also, which is cyclic, and AC is also diagonal of cyclic quadrilateral and it is serving as the diameter also of the circle. This is the point O. So what we are to prove that if the diagonals of cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of the circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. So we will write given में क्या लिखेंगे cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, cyclic quadrilateral ABCD in which cyclic quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonals AC and BD are the diameters of the circle. Diagonals AC and BD are the diameters of the circle. Now to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. So we will do its proof. We know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So we will write we know that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So angle ABC, it is equal to angle BCD, it is equal to angle CDA, and that is further equal to angle DAB. All angles are 90 degree. The reason I have already written that each angle in a semicircle is of 90 degree. Now, if all angles are 90 degree, the quadrilateral which is inside the circle, we can prove it a parallelogram, right? So, parallelogram we will prove it. Angle B plus angle C. तो B जिसको हमने ABC बोला है और C जिसको हमने BCD बोला है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 90 डिग्री प्लस 90 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. तो अगर आप फिगर को गौर से देखें तो B और C जो है वो दोनों को इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं, बट दे आर को इंटीरियर एंगल्स, अगर को इंटीरियर है तो ए बी और डी सी पैरेलल हो जाएंगे. देयरफॉर ए बी इज पैरेलल टू डी सी, राइट. ऑल्सो एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी, ए भी 90 का है और बी भी 90 का, तो 90 डिग्री प्लस 90 डिग्री दैट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. तो ये दोनों एंगल्स भी कैसे हैं, को इंटीरियर, बट दे आर co-interior angles. दे आर को इंटीरियर एंगल्स, और को इंटीरियर है तो ए डी और बी सी पैरेलल हो जाएंगे, देयरफॉर ए डी इज पैरेलल टू बी सी. तो सिंस इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी सी डी, since in quadrilateral ABCD, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, right? So if ABCD is a parallelogram and angle A equal angle B equal angle C equal angle D is equal to 90 डिग्री ईच, तो ये बन गई रेक्टेंगल. देयरफॉर ABCD is a rectangle. This was the solution of question number 7. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.